Hi everyone, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you can, and ring the bell. Share these videos if you can. It really helps me when you do that. Hit like. I'd appreciate it, guys. I'm trying to keep the wild medicine alive. Today, this video is a castor oil patch video. I did something to my hand yesterday. I do my laundry at a motel. It makes me feel like I'm on vacation. And I was doing my laundry at this motel yesterday, and I was getting out of my car door, and I actually opened the door with this finger, like to pull the car door open, and it did something. It went all down inside my hand, and it just progressively got worse all day long. All night long. It kept me up all night. It's really bad today. I can't pick anything up. I can hardly move it. So I'm going to castor oil detox it with the castor oil. I'm making a patch. So I'm using castor oil. I always like to use castor oil that's in a dark container. It keeps longer. It's a better medicine. The light seems to interrupt the medicine, so make sure you always have it, buy it in a dark bottle. I'm going to try to open this, but it's really hard because I can't use my hand. So I'm hoping this castor oil patch will detox the inflammation, and that's what castor oil does. So you're going to put a fair and nice amount on. And what you're going to use is, I'm using, as you can see, a white face cloth. You can use terry cloth, which I prefer. See, it's really on there thick, guys. I prefer terry cloth. You can use cotton. You could also use flannel. If I didn't use terry cloth, I would use flannel. The last thing I would use is cotton, but you can use that, if that's all you have. Make sure it's white, because it will stain it. It'll take the color out. So I've got it on there really nice right now. It's nice and thick. See that, guys? Got it on there nice and thick. So this is going to detox whatever I did. It's going to take the inflammation out. Castor oil packs are great for taking inflammation out and also detoxing organs. I could take this and put it, say, on my liver or my kidneys or my gallbladder. If I had a fatty liver, I would apply the castor oil patch to it 3 times a day whenever I thought about it. It would help a lot. So this is what I'm doing with my hand. Whatever I did in there, I pulled muscles, strained things. I can feel it all inside here and all up through here. So this castor oil will detox it and make it feel a lot better. It'll speed up the healing process. So I'm just going to cover it like this. I'm going to take an elastic. Put that on like that. Now what I'm going to do is immediately put the heat on it. I'm going to take this bag, just because this is really soaked. You can see, guys, it's really messy and it's pretty sticky. You don't want that all over everything. So I'm going to cover it up with the bag, and then I have a heating pad over there waiting for me to put the heat to it. So I'm going to wrap the heating pad right around it. And this is going to detox the muscles, the tendons, even the tissue. It's going to go in there and take all the inflammation out and speed up the healing process. So I'll do that 3 times a day. And hopefully I'll be able to use my hand, because I can't even use it now. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Like I say, it really helps. Hit the bell so you can see the new videos that I make. Share my videos if you can, guys. Thanks. I'm trying to keep the wild medicine alive. I appreciate it. So this is a castor oil patch. Anyone can make it.